how are you able to use that information, and what sort of problems do you tend to resolve? What do you want to see every day because it keeps you going and helping a consumer?
Yeah, I mean, I see this as, I've never been a fan. I don't think anyone is. Most people aren't fans of bullies, and I see a situation where creditors, sometimes a lot of them are good, some of them not so good, and they will try to bully the situation and bully the customer. And I'm like a kid in the playground, and I can see that what's happening easier than maybe someone else, and stop it, call them out on it.
Well, that's why we call you our car guru around these parts. My name's John Helstowski again. This is still Ken Jarman. Thanks for listening to us now. Please come to us, talk to us if you have any issues with any credit. And especially if you have car issues, you'd be lucky to be able to pull Ken's ear, and I'm happy to help you myself. Thank you.